Hey guys, today on Simply Mercy Bee, it's all about appetizers. And today, spicy cocktail party franks. And they can be made in under 30 minutes. Here are the ingredients that we're going to need. 1 pound of cocktail franks, Coca-Cola, ketchup. We're going to spice things up with some hot sauce, apple cider vinegar, packed brown sugar, and butter. We're going to start by taking a fork and we're going to pierce each frank because we want everything nice and flavorful. In your skillet, you want to heat your butter on medium heat. Then add your franks and slightly brown them. Now that our franks are slightly brown, we're going to go ahead and simply add the remainder of our ingredients. We're going to start by adding our Coke to our pan, and we're going to go ahead and deglaze that, followed by our ketchup, apple cider vinegar, and hot sauce. So I told you this was a quick one, under 30 minutes. If you're enjoying the video, please give me a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Drop some comments down below. Let me know your favorite way to make cocktail franks. Continue cooking on medium heat until the sauce has thickened, kind of like a barbecue sauce. And just like that, we're all done. We're ready to plate. And for easy self-serving, I like to use little cocktail toothpicks. Plus, it makes your dish look elegant. And just like that, we're ready to serve our guests. How simple was that? I hope you have enjoyed this video on the spicy cocktail party franks. And don't forget, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to keep life simple, and we will see you on the next one. Bye for now.